Welcome to Dividend Income. In this video we're going to talk about AT&T, ticker symbol T. I'm going to go over a few points very briefly on why I'm going to be buying the stock. A quick disclaimer, please do your own research before buying stock. I'm not a financial advisor, this is for entertainment purposes only. Now, they had mixed results with the second quarter, which caused the stock price to slump. When AT&T posted its Q2 results, it lowered its full year cash flow forecast. They have lowered full-year cash flow forecast by $2 billion to around $14 billion, but the reason for this is so that they can ramp up expansion of its 5G network. Earnings per share were down 27%, but they have added over 800,000 new subscribers, and revenues are up $808 million, 17.4% year over year. Some more positive news. They have the most national coverage already. They are planning on building more fibre than anyone else. The plan is to average more than 350 customer locations per hour across the country. Then that would fast track them to have more than 30 million locations by the end of 2025. Being the first to market with drones that beam down 5G signal to an area with patchy connectivity will definitely help with expansion. In testing, they reckon they can provide an area of 10 square miles with strong 5G strength, which, if works consistently, is very impressive. The next step up is satellite internet, which Elon Musk is doing with Starlink. The price is currently very expensive in comparison. Last time I checked, the hardware is $599 and the monthly cost is $110. Now, this price will come down over time as it scales, but not anytime soon, especially with the global chip shortages. AT&T expect data consumption to increase 5 times by 2025, with small and medium businesses being their fastest growing segment. Not to mention they're the industry leader in 5G, the future looks bright. Seeking Alpha sees the positive in it as well, listing its competitive advantages, strong brand image, plus it is ranked 26 on the list of most valuable brands in the world. The most important part is the financials. AT&T's valuation. Based on the discounted cash flow model, you can determine the intrinsic value of AT&T. Its value comes out at $26.15. The current stock price is $18.25, so there is almost 40% upside from here. This will not jump in price by 40% overnight. If you're looking for a quick trade, this is not for you. If you're watching this video, no doubt you're looking at the long term. The dividend yield is currently 6.11%, which is incredible value if you think of the potential growth. It is very difficult to know what will happen in the market, but the fundamentals of the company look good, which is why I plan on accumulating the stock while it is under the $20 mark. Institutional investors. When purchasing stock, I always like to check which institutions own the stock or purchased or sold it. If we have a look at the top 10 owners of AT&T, the biggest stakeholders are Vanguard Group, BlackRock, SSGA Funds and Newport Trust. From the 10, we can see that there's been 5 selling off and 5 buying, so an even split. We can see that the biggest sell-off has been from SSGA Funds at 11.84%, a smaller sell-off from BlackRock at 1.35%, then 3 smaller amounts here. But in general, there has been significant purchases. Vanguard bolstering its position, now owning well over 500 million shares. Capital Research made the biggest splash, increasing its percentage to 18.47%. If they're all selling, I would be worried, but this is reassuring, especially with all these big purchases. As usual, you should always do your own research. This is for entertainment purposes only. If you've enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe.